What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am Mitchellette, and this is Immaculate Life, and this video is part 2 of my wig. If you haven't seen my previous video, please go and check it out. And in this video, I'm going to be styling this wig, cutting and everything. So if this is something that you are interested in, please stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. So as I said, please be sure to go check out the previous video. In that video, I actually created this wig using Malaysian Body Wave hair, and I did it on a dome cap. And in this video, I'm going to be straightening, cutting, and just giving it a slight bend. And this is going to be my bang bob wig. So enjoy. So y'all, I am done with the wig. Please tell me your thoughts, what y'all think. I will be trying this wig on, and this is the Malaysian Body Wave hair by Mayvenn. And if you're interested, I will be sure to leave the description of where to get this hair, because I do sell this hair, so I want you all to take a look at it. It's beautiful, it's shiny. I didn't use a lot of product. I just used like the S3 serum and the S3 spray from Influance Haircare, and that's all I did. And I actually tried the wig on earlier just to see, make sure just to make sure that I didn't miss any spots to trim or cut, but it actually laid perfectly. And this is the reason why I know some of you may have questions on why I use the dome cap. I use the dome cap, one, because it's getting ready to be cool. Two, I like the way it lays on my head. So I hope you all like it. I hope you all enjoy the video. Please, please, please do not forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and please share with your friends and turn on your notification bells so that way you know when your girl done uploaded the video. Again, thank you all. I think I need to name this wig. What y'all think? Anyway, see y'all soon. Thank you for watching.